Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I want to talk about on how you can make your taskbar completely transparent. So if you go to your settings and then if you head over to personalization, over here you'll find taskbar. Now if you go inside taskbar, as you can see, we don't really have much customization option regarding the taskbar other than where this alignment is going to be and all that. So you got left, you got center, and that's about it. So you want to make your taskbar completely transparent. Now, if there's gonna be this app called Translucent TV. Now you can get this app directly from the Microsoft Store right here. And this app is completely free, as you can see right here. All you want to do is just open Translucent TV, and once you open Translucent TV, which is right here, from here, you can customize this taskbar however you want. Now, I'm just gonna enable that. Once I enable it, I'm just gonna make it completely clear. Refresh this, and that's gonna take a little while for it to actually work. But as you can see right there. Make sure you come over here and select your settings properly, but I normally don't like clear because as you can see there's this tiny little bar right there. So what I personally like to do with this one is I like to make it acrylic, and that way I don't know why this just feels so much better down there, but that's just it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.